Get the ultimate access solution from the world leader in Gullwing lift-up window conversion kits, brought to you today by the team behind Australia's revolutionary vehicle access solution, Emuwing. Winner of the most innovative vehicle modification product manufacturer of 2023, awarded by the Australian Enterprise Awards. At Emuwing, we pride ourselves on delivering high-quality, innovative solutions that enhance the functionality and accessibility of many popular four-wheel drive wagons. Emuwing's Gullwing vehicle access system has gained significant recognition and popularity among outdoor enthusiasts, campers and adventurers who value convenient and easy access to otherwise hard to reach and often underutilised areas of the cargo area in their four-wheel drive wagons. Find out why Emuwing is revolutionising access to the back of many four-wheel drive wagons. Whether you're travelling the Aussie outback, loading shopping into the car at the local grocers, or picking up the kids from school, Emuwings are just so versatile. Emuwing's Gullwing rear side window replacements will change the way you use the cargo area of your four-wheel drive wagon. Convenient access utilising a heavy-duty stainless steel concealed hinge. With a seamless factory finish, it blends into your vehicle beautifully. Emuwing's high-quality stainless steel frames ensure the maximum opening available, up to 20% larger than the rest. Why compromise when you can have the best access available? No permanent body modifications required, no drilling, and completely revertible. Emuwing's comprehensive DIY kit contains everything you need to convert your current fixed window into a Gullwing lift-up window. Yeah, we even include the glue. Tough, reliable, durable, and Australian owned and operated. Forget about your previous vehicle access hassles. Chat to one of the Emuwing team today. Alternatively, visit emuwing.com.au or call 0390171614.